guys. So, I'm in a basement in an undisclosed location, testing a Crest Key Largo copy. Where'd this come from? Letgo or Craigslist?
Craigslist.
And yeah, it's kind of weird. It's got a 3-way spotlight. I'm actually gonna pick the camera up.
You got a pretty good position in it.
Yeah, I do. These heat up pretty quickly, so I don't like these. You can swat at me. He didn't get me though. Whoa. And I'll go to medium. I'm trying to stay out of the shot. Y'all don't want to see my face. And my haircut. Come on, Peyton. I'm gonna pick the camera up for high, just so you can get a close up of it. Yeah, I can kind of tell some of the blades are off balance. Here's the Crest logo. It's got that giant Crest canopy we're all accustomed to. Cat. Oh god, it's got the dreaded clinking of the chain. This thing better not fall on your rare Ventura Seasons. Oh, got me turn it off. Okay, so that was the Crest Key Largo copy. Hope you guys enjoyed.